Hello, and welcome to the Tetra Elements LLC YouTube channel. At Tetra Elements, we are dedicated to solving complex engineering problems with cutting-edge simulation tools. If you're looking for assistance with your simulation projects, you can always visit us at www.tetraelements.com. We'd love to help you overcome your engineering challenges. Let's get started. Today, we're going to walk through the process of meshing an axisymmetric geometry in Ansys. This tutorial will guide you step by step, so follow along and feel free to pause whenever needed. And don't forget, the geometry file used in this tutorial is available for download on our website, www.tetraelements.com, as well as in the description of this video. First, let's begin by opening Ansys Workbench. Once it's loaded, you'll see the project schematic interface. Drag and drop the Mesh module into the workspace. This module is where we'll be performing our meshing tasks. Now, we need to upload the geometry. To do this, right-click on the Geometry cell and select Import Geometry. Find the file for the axisymmetric geometry that you want to work on and import it into the Mesh module. Once that's done, double-click on the Mesh cell to open Ansys Mechanical. This may take a moment, so be patient as the software processes the geometry. Once the geometry is loaded into Ansys Mechanical, you'll see it displayed in the viewport. Before we generate the mesh, let's configure some settings to ensure the mesh is suitable for accurate simulation results. In the Details of Mesh panel, make sure the physics preference is set to mechanical. Then, set the element size to 1 mm. This ensures we start with a dense and reliable mesh for our simulation. Now that the basic mesh settings are ready, we can move on to selecting the mesh method. Next, we'll set up the sweep method. Right-click on Mesh in the outline tree and select Insert Method. In the Details of Method panel, set the method to sweep. After that, scope the sweep method to your geometry by selecting the body. Now, we need to define the algorithm and center options for the mesh. Under Algorithm, select Axisymmetric, and for Mesh and Center, choose Hexahedra. These settings are essential for generating a structured mesh suitable for axisymmetric geometries. Once these configurations are complete, we're ready to generate the mesh. Right-click on Mesh in the outline tree and select Generate Mesh. The software will take a moment to generate the mesh based on the settings we've applied. After the mesh is generated, it's critical to check the quality. Navigate to the Mesh Metrics panel and select Element Quality. Ensure the minimum quality value is higher than 0.2. This threshold is necessary to maintain accuracy and stability in your simulation results. In this example, you'll notice the element quality metrics meet the required standards, indicating the mesh is well optimized. And that's it! You've successfully completed the meshing process for an axisymmetric geometry in Ansys. Remember, achieving a high-quality mesh is the foundation of any reliable simulation. Thank you for joining us in this tutorial. If you have any questions or need help with your projects, don't hesitate to reach out to us at www.tetraelements.com. The geometry file used in this tutorial is also available for download on our website and in the video description below. We're here to help with all your engineering needs. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. See you next time, and happy simulating!